story about not being able to write that song, Shower Tree, for my boy. And what do you know? Another musician in Hawaii heard my plight, and he said, I'm gonna write you a Shower Tree song. Like, what the heck? Are you serious? And he did. He wrote me a Shower Tree song so I can sing it for my boy. And my favorite part of the song, which is the inspiration for the title of my CD, which cannot be spoken. You have to sing it. It goes like this. La 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 la. But that's not so hard, right? La la la. 4 notes, sing like loud enough 4 times over. Can you sing it with me? Can you try, please? Here we go. La 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 la. And a little bit more. La.